Today the story is about a restaurant owner trapped in a dangerous cycle of overdependence on dine-in revenue, a situation that threatens the very survival of their business in 2025's volatile market. Imagine this: rising food and labor costs squeezing profit margins tighter every day, fluctuating consumer spending cutting into foot traffic, and shifting dining habits pushing customers away from traditional restaurant visits. The once bustling dining room now feels eerily quiet. The owner watches helplessly as fixed costs pile up, and the business teeters on the edge of collapse. This is not just a story of one restaurant. It's the reality facing countless operators today. The critical challenge? Relying solely on dine-in customers has become a massive vulnerability. When external shocks hit, be it inflation, pandemics, or evolving consumer preferences, revenue streams dry up fast. The pain points are clear: limited customer reach, underutilized kitchen capacity during off hours, and the relentless pressure of rising operational expenses. Without urgent action, the future looks bleak. But there is a way out, a transformative journey from fragility to resilience. The solution lies in diversifying revenue streams by unlocking the power of catering and virtual kitchens. This approach leverages existing kitchen assets to serve new customer segments beyond the dining room, tapping into booming delivery and event markets. The path forward begins by clearly defining the real problem: over-reliance on dine-in revenue. Next, break down the challenge into manageable parts, from operational bottlenecks to market opportunities. Explore solutions that capitalize on strengths like culinary expertise while addressing weaknesses such as limited delivery infrastructure. Weigh risks like initial setup costs against the rewards of expanded customer reach and improved profitability. Then, choose the best course. Implement a hybrid model combining catering services with virtual kitchens. Create an action plan that designates kitchen space, develops delivery-optimized menus, and targets strategic customer segments. Execute with focus by training staff and piloting new offerings. Finally, review performance regularly and adjust to maximize success. This strategy transforms a vulnerable restaurant into a thriving, multi-revenue powerhouse, resilient against market shocks and primed for growth. The quiet dining room becomes a bustling hub of diverse income streams, from corporate catering orders to delivery-only brands, ensuring steady cash flow and operational efficiency. The key takeaway for today's story is this: don't let your restaurant's future be dictated by a single revenue source. Diversify urgently, act decisively, and transform challenges into opportunities for lasting success. If you're facing similar challenges, we're here to help. Check out the links in the description for professional problem-solving resources tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching.